Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now this video is sponsored by Luvmehair, and they sent me this kinky straight with kinky edges. I think it's 6x6 or 5x5 closure wig. I'm not sure, but it will be down in the description box. But before we jump into the installation of this wig, let me just show you guys what they sent to me inside the package. So of course they sent me the baggie to put my wig in when I'm done wearing it. They sent me some stocking cap, but these are dark for me, so I didn't use them. They also sent me these grip type of, these are pretty much, let me take you out of the package, but it's pretty much it's like a silicone headband, I should say, but it really helps the wig to not slip off your head. I've never actually used any of these before because I normally just tighten my wigs, so they don't really move even if I don't use any glue. So I never really use these, but if you know what these are, then you'll be getting one inside the package if you're supposed to order the wig. What else? They also sent me I think this is a brush. So it is a brush. I took it out the box because I needed it and I was using it in my hair. But yeah, they did send me this cute little Luvmehair purple brush. But yeah, that is pretty much all they sent inside the package. As for the wig, again, this is a 5x5 closure wig. It is kinky straight. It has kinky edges. As you can see, look very natural. I didn't want to do anything too much to this wig. I wanted to kind of keep it in the state that it came, because so this wig did come in like a side part, and it did come bleach and all that, so I didn't need to bleach it. All I did was just pluck the hair a little bit, add some makeup, and I straightened the wig. But again, I left it in the side part because I felt like it was giving like a natural vibe. It just looks like my natural hair that I straightened, and just didn't want to do much to it because again, I'm not in the mood to do much to it, but it still looks cute. That's a vibe I wanted to give off, so hopefully that's what I achieved. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I end up getting this look, then definitely keep on watching.
I don't think you feeling me, I'm out here being everything they said I wouldn't be, it couldn't be. I don't know what happened to them guys that said they would be. I said see you at the top and they misunderstood me. I hold no resentment in my heart, that's that maturity. And we don't keep it on us anymore, it's with security. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace, but honestly that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, then I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly that sound like a fair trade to me. Rolling 80 wheels in a safety. Gotta roll OT, gotta give a release. Spread your legs downtown, I'm going out to eat. Hit the raw sounds when I rock up in your sleep. I'ma roll on the forever, let her roll on me. Split this one down the middle, wake up in harmony.
Assalaxx. Close your eyes to get away. Just bang my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful, girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless, yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing.
Yeah. The 10,000 building, get your ass an apartment, put you inside a G-class, that's just a starter kit. Plenty things count in life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck, this chess games, cause shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more purple rain prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment I stay expecting it. The pessimist, gold medalists, flush the magnets just so they not collecting my specimens down.
claps.
So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. The links to the wig will be down in the description box, so if you guys would love to purchase this wig, definitely check that out. But for now, this is the end, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.